So guys, this isn't so much of actual, I mean, it's going to be an actual video. We're going to take a look at the item. I haven't even pulled it out of the box yet. This is the Olight O-Knife Beagle limited edition. They sent this to me. They're having a Christmas sale. So let's go ahead and turn down the volume and listen to some music, and we'll come back and talk about this. So I kind of like the idea of this because now it kind of bridges a gap. Olight was one of the first companies that gave me the chance to have an affiliate link before I even had my Amazon stuff. And Olight reached out to me through Full30, and I did it through Full30, and now I have my own affiliate link for here on YouTube. So this video is going to be up on YouTube and Full30. So there's a link to the sale down below in the description. But this is the Olight Beagle. This is a knife that was designed for Olight. It's not listed on here who designed it, who made it. I see a name that I recognize, but I'm not going to throw that out there. But we are going to take this out of the box. We're going to turn this around, look at it from above, take a look at it, and just see what the O-Knife Beagle looks like. It's a nice looking knife. So yeah, we'll go through the features and all that stuff, and I'll take a picture of the back so you guys can see what's listed on here, and we will take a good quick look at the Olight Beagle. All right, guys, so you guys know I like the Olight stuff. I have several Olights. I have my Warrior 3. I have my Baton 3 with the charger case. Gave one of these away here not too long ago. But what we're going to take a look at is the Beagle. So, like I said, this is part of a Christmas sale. I'm trying to get this video done. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box. As you can see, O-Knife, pretty nice packaging. Has a little top piece that is got, let's see what all's in here. It has your instructions and stuff like that, how maintenance and all that, and it looks like there's a wipey rag in here. So let's go ahead and get that. What's going on here? Yeah, a little wipey rag. So, but that's not the stuff we came to see. Let's go ahead and get all this stuff out of the way. In transparency, I'm refilming this part because I had some serious audio issues. There's something here that causes electrical interference. There was a horrible, horrible hum. So I'm basically refilming this. But the knife does come with a coin, the O-Knife folding pocket knife, the Beagle, the knife, the case, and then the stuff you guys saw earlier. So this is a thumb stud only. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. It's 154 cm. This is the Beagle. Ooh, guys, that is a nice knife. Nice harpoon look to it. Micarta, black liners, black thumb studs. Nice tall thumb studs. Nice groove in there that you can get into. Action on this is really good. So like I said, 154 cm. It's an Azo design. If you know about some knives, you're probably going to know who that is and where they are from by other videos, but we're not going to throw that out there. It's up to Olight to let you guys know. This is a liner lock, and it does have a nice, big, ample area. So this is part of the sale, and like I said, you guys know Olight's some quality products. The action on this is really, really good. Kind of a tall pocket clip. It's not as bad on this as it has been on several other knives. Like I said, the pocket clip typically doesn't bother me if it's on a knife that's shaped correctly or if the pocket clip's in an area where it's not a hot spot. This is not a hot spot. That's a nice looking knife. So like I said, we're not going to spend a lot of time on this. I'm going to do an actual review, first day in pockets and stuff like that. This is basically just what I kind of said. It's kind of an unboxing because it just showed up. I just got around to opening it and I wanted to film it. I'm pretty sure it's going to take me a couple days to get to edit it. But yeah, so really nice little knife. I like that. That is so comfortable. That is a really good grip. Nice broad blade. Feels really thin behind the edge. So at any rate, this is available on their website. We'll talk about the sale here in a minute. I'll probably just bring up their website and do a voiceover. So yeah, let's go ahead and turn this around, do some quick final thoughts. This is just an easy, real quick unboxing of the Beagle. And like I said, this is a limited edition according to the packaging. Really nice look on that logo. I like that. Chimping's really good. So yeah, let's turn it around, do some final thoughts. So as you guys can see, there's a lot of stuff on sale. You got stuff that's down like 50, 60 bucks off of regular price, different variations on the stuff. They have the knives on there for, you know, portions off, 116 to 81 for a combination for that Beagle. Those pods, you've got little keychain flashlights, mystery packs. They do have some sort of a spin your lucky wheel thing going on. I'm not 100%. Some of this stuff's 50% off for Christmas. Like the Balder Mini, that's a really nice. I have one of those on one of my Pew Pews. All kinds of stuff that's on here for, you know, up to 50% off on some of this stuff. That Warrior 3 powerful, Warrior times whatever to X3. All this stuff here is just 50% off on what you would typically pay for stuff on Olight. So catch one of these sales. These sales are actually really good. They do a really good job with their sales. They have them often. As a matter of fact, they have them often enough that I hate to say it, but sometimes it just doesn't make sense to buy stuff at regular price through them. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. So like I said, these are nice. I like this. I hadn't got to see any of the O knives yet. I kind of like this one. I like that broader blade, skinny handle. It's pretty comfortable. And like I said, I have had zero. I know a lot of people are like, oh, I can't believe you're shelling for Olight. They've been awesome with me. I have got more Olight stuff. I have Pew Pew lights and laser sights and all kinds of stuff that they've sent me. I still have stuff over there that I'm still going to do as a giveaway from Olight. They've been great and their products are good. So, I mean, with any product, you're going to run into some problems. But I have had zero issues. Zero issues, none at all, with any of the stuff that I've had so far. I don't think it's been handpicked. I think it just comes off the shelf. And I did have an item that I had to send back, so it seems as though their customer service is pretty good too, because it looks like they're honoring a warranty on an item. So, guys, that's it on this one. Go check out the link below to the sale. I'll make sure that you guys have access to it. There'll be a link below in the description. So, that's it, guys. I love you all. And if you like the videos, give them a thumbs up. If you don't like them, give them a thumbs down. Please try to tell me why. I can still see the thumbs down as a creator. There's a lot of ways you can support the channel. Sometimes it's as simple as just sharing the videos and channel with people you think would like it. But there's other ways if you want to support it financially. I have affiliate links down below where you can go shopping. I have a membership tab down below where I get paid directly from YouTube. You guys enter on a monthly membership, giveaways, early access to videos, and premium tier gets a sharpening tutorial series. And then I have the merchandise store where I have a coupon code, merchandise store or Ember shirt code. You can use it at either one. It is CrazySharp, capital C, capital S, all one word. CrazySharp saves you 10% at checkout. Like I said, I love you all, guys. Keep it clean in the comment section. It makes it easier to moderate the channel. And if it's your birthday, happy birthday, and I'll see you in the next video.